I can officially announce that there are 2 werewolves left. This is the last time I'm gonna make the announcement na lang. Team Werewolf, wake up. Team Werewolf, wake up. Who would you like to kill? Everyone wake up.
Everyone
wake up.
wake up.
Everyone wake up. Hey. No one died last night. 2 minutes starting now.
Okay, so with RBG telling outing Kill Uncle as the werewolf, then I trust RBG with information. RBG, who did you check next? Aside from Shaper and Kill Uncle.
I checked someone, but they were not a werewolf. But I don't want to say who, because they're going to be vulnerable.
Why?
So we have to find the werewolf, not identify the villagers.
Is it?
No, because
is it Bujin?
Because
Is Bujin a werewolf? Because I'm going for him now.
No, I'm not a werewolf.
I will nominate Bujin with you.
Why me?
Because
wait, RBG, you checked Shaper, right?
Uncle. You dominated me and you didn't vote me.
But a while ago,
and it's almost you wanted the vote to stall. You wanted the Sasquatch to activate.
I nominated you kasi nga parang.
And you didn't vote for me. That is just so weird. You didn't want anyone to be voted out.
My internet is slow. Wait, my internet is slow.
Bujin,
that's
so lame. Sorry.
So RBG, it will really. RBG, we still have the numbers if you're going to tell who you check, because like you already told, Shaper is good, right? Yeah. So the werewolves will be clutching for someone to kill, and the bodyguard is still alive, right?
Yes, I'm the bodyguard. I protected RBG.
So RBG, who did you check? Are they good or are they bad?
They're good, eh? They're good.
Who is it?
I'm not so sure if I should say.
I think you should share RBG.
Yeah, you might be targeted ulit.
You're gonna you might be targeted to die.
I'm not sure.
Okay, you must take advantage.
Yeah,
Para mo protect ng bodyguard.
Okay.
Who?
Yeah, girl. She's good.
Okay, so
guys, I have to ask for nominations now. Once more.
Bujin, I nominate Bujin.
Sure. One for Bujin. I think RBG said they're gonna nominate Bujin too, right?
Oh, no.
No.
Sige, daanan ko na lang kay isa-isa. Sige, daanan ko isa-isa. Pero Shaper pre-nominated Bujin. Shaper, would you like to nominate anyone? Sorry, Bujin, would you like to nominate anyone?
No, ayoko. Pinagtutulungan ako ng dalawa.
Nintendo, may nominate ka ba?
Bakit hindi ka mag-nominate?
Ako si Bujin.
Okay, one for well, 2 na for Bujin. Your girl, may nominate ka ba?
Skiddo.
Okay, Skiddo, may nominate ka?
As much as I wanted to nominate you, I need to follow RBG's intuition. I'm gonna nominate Bujin.
Okay.
Even though I wanted to nominate the girl back.
Okay. Tatlo kay Bujin, 1 for Skiddo. RBG.
Isa lang ako magsasalita.
RBG?
Okay, I will nominate Skiddo.
Okay.
Hey, what did I do?
Hello, Ambassador, may nominate ka?
We need to eliminate people sa suspicion.
May nominate ka?
Also, and it's just to tie it up. Skiddo.
Well, I guess, yeah. Sige. Well, yeah.
I mean, it doesn't matter, right?
You're right. Kasi may nag-abstain pala kanya. So, 3 votes, 3 nominations for Bujin, 3 kay Skiddo. I'll start with Bujin. 30 seconds, Bujin, go.
And that was another game of Ultimate Werewolf. If you like the video. Guys, nag-out ako as bodyguard. Walang nag-counter as bodyguard. So, I'm the bodyguard. I protected RBG. I hope you guys believe me. Yun lang. So, that's it. Napaka-plastic, no? Sige na nga, next person, please.
Okay, sige. Well, Skiddo, you still have to talk. 30 seconds, go.
Yeah, girl, you're sus. By the way, I'm just like helping the village. I don't know anything. All right, you need to vote Bujin out because I'm good. I swear. I have no information like whatsoever.
All right.
No, that RBG's bad. Okay.
All right. I guess that's it. Well, 2, 4, 7 people left. 4 votes to kill pa rin. If no one dies, no one gets 4 votes. Show of hands. Who wants to vote out Bujin? Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. Slow count. Bujin, you survive. Skiddo. Who wants to vote out Skiddo? Going once. Going twice. Going 3. Natawa ka doon. Okay, well, alam ko pag-abstain siya. But anyway, Skiddo, you got 4 votes. Skiddo, you are dead. Please turn off your camera. Skiddo, oh sorry, take back. Skiddo, turn on your camera. Skiddo was the hunter. And Skiddo, don't announce it yet, pero you tagged someone.
Yes.
Would you like to kill? Yes or no lang to. Would you like to kill the person that you tagged? Yes
if
or
it's
no?
Bujin, yes.
I cannot express my like line of thinking. Okay, wait.
Yeah, just yes or no lang. Wala, you don't get any opinions or anything anymore. Yeah, would you like to
Bujin, yes.
To kill this person?
I'm so sorry to the person who I tagged, but to help this year, yes.
It's like yes. Okay, Skiddo, please turn off your camera. You're now dead. Skiddo chose to tag and kill Shintendo.
Sabi na.
Turn off your camera. FYI, Shintendo is a werewolf.
It's a werewolf.
Go back to sleep. Everyone go back to sleep. Everyone go back to sleep.
Bujin!
Everyone, close your eyes.
Everyone, wake up.
Everyone, wake up.
Okay. I have to, guys, you have to say goodbye to RBG. RBG, you're dead. Please turn off camera. RBG was the seer.
Oh no.
Now, hindi pa tapos yung game.
Oh no.
The priest, who is Ya Girl, was Ya Priest. She used the holy water and threw it at
Bujin.
Noob Ambassador.
What?
And because of that, you're dead. Sorry, Noob Ambassador. Ambassador, you're dead. Ya Girl, you are alive. Noob Ambassador was a werewolf.
Thank you. Oh shit!
There were 3 werewolves. There were 4 werewolves.
2 minutes starting now.
Well,
I mean, do we even have to? Straight to vote, please.
It's
Wala nominating slow. We'll go to vote agad dito.
Yeah, girl.
It's Bujin. RBG cleared you. RBG cleared me.
Huh?
So Bujin's the only one left.
I'm the bodyguard, diba? What's your role, Shaper?
You heard her clear me, right? Yeah, girl.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I don't have to convince you, Bujin.
I don't even know why we're still doing this. Ang dami namang werewolf. Ano pa yan?
Wait!
Okay, we're the same team.
Ako yung nag-claim ng bodyguard.
We nominate
Ya girl.
Well, wala na nominations na.
Wow! Oh my gosh! We nominate Bujin. Wait! Ya girl. I was
Bujin,
the first person who claimed as bodyguard.
Too much power.
Look at the video. Look at this. How did you know?
Do you seriously believe, Shaper?
I thought there were only 3 werewolves. How do you know there were 4? How do you know it was Noob Ambassador?
50-50 chance I took a gamble lang.
Grabe. Oh, good call.
Alright, well, ganito na lang, guys. Since wala na naman nominations, I'm gonna let, Ya Girl is clearly the priest because I announced it. So it's obviously between Bujin and Shaper. I'm just gonna have each of you guys talk for 30 seconds each. I'll be consistent. I'll do it numerically. Bujin, 30 seconds. Defend yourself. Go.
Oh, this is very good.
Yeah, I told everyone, I'm the bodyguard. I trust you, Ya Girl, that you will make the right decision.
the right decision.
Seriously, I'm the bodyguard. Si Shaper yung last werewolf. Si Shaper talaga. Let's vote wisely.
Napaka-thematically. Okay, anyway, in with the times yung comment. Anyway, Shaper, 30 seconds then defend yourself. Go.
Okay, sure. I'm not going to identify myself as a bodyguard because I don't want the werewolves to kill me. So why would I identify myself? I'm the bodyguard. Now I'll say, no, I'm the bodyguard. Go, well, then I'm dead. Why would I do that? What do you think would happen? Anyway, great acting. 9 out of 10 in like believability. Like if I didn't know for sure, I would have believed it. We'll give it a 10.
Okay,
he has a little smirk.
That was 30 seconds. Clearly, the guys would vote for each other. So this is only your girl's choice. Your girl, whoever you say, I'm gonna ask you for sure, and then if you lock it in, that's it. Who would you be voting at?
Yes, and let me take this opportunity to say that exercising your right to vote is very important. Kaya sa darating na May 9, vote. Radical na pagmamahal. Wow. Bujin, bye. Sorry.
Alright. Well, seems like she's sure. Your girl, are you sure you want to vote out Bujin?
I'm sure.
Okay, Bujin, you're dead. Please turn off your camera. In a huge twist of no. The villagers won. The villagers won. Good job. Your girl, Shaper. Everyone turn on your cameras. Ang galing na events.
Why did you vote for Bujin?
Nakakatawa. Kasi guys,
why did you change your mind?
New ambassador was the Sasquatch. Siya yung hindi kayo nag-vote out, naging werewolf siya. Tapos the time na nawalang namatay, they actually converted Nintendo. So that the same day that she got voted out, she would have woken up to become a werewolf. So sobrang sakto lang. Kaya turn on your camera. Nawala na si Sheka pala. Yeah, sobrang sakto yung mga events na nakakatawa ang galing. And it's definitely gonna be uploaded.
Good is meant to win.
Oh my God. Sheka had to leave, like her battery is so low.
Yeah, I read it. That's okay, Sheka. Next time, Sheka. Wow, that was so fun. Ang galing na ng mga tournaments. And RPG, were you convinced by Bujin dun sa last vote na I thought you were abstaining the whole night, the whole day. That last day. Were you convinced or just in case na bodyguard niya siya, ganun?
Sino ako?
RBG.
Yeah, why did you change your vote? You were gonna vote for Bujin.
Oh yeah. Why didn't I vote Bujin?
Yeah, you
Skidoo's defense.
Because I'm the bodyguard.
Oh, Skidoo. Yeah.
I was also gonna vote.
I thought Skidoo kasi was not so convincing.
I trusted you with full on, girl.
Sorry.
Because I was gonna throw Bujin under the bus then. Pero your defense was so bad, I'm gonna vote for you.
Evil.
Yeah, actually, I thought you were a little bit, it could have been stronger. But then anyway, you tagged Nintendo, so that was okay too.
Sakto tinagis Nintendo. The perfect time to tag Nintendo.
We have to eliminate options.
Yeah, actually, Bujin was more obvious as a werewolf than Nintendo. So it was good that Nintendo was
Nintendo hasn't even performed as a werewolf.
Nathing pala kanina. The first time na tatlo yung werewolves and they eventually killed off Sheka. Yung sobrang tagal na night, 2 of them wanted to kill Sheka. Kill Uncle wanted to kill RBG. Pero Kill Uncle was adamant, no, 6. Ayaw bumigay ni New Ambassador tsaka ni Bujin. Yeah, if they went for RBG, they would have killed her that time.
Guys, you killed yourselves by not choosing.
Sheka said she was a villager.
That second night, when it happened, Shaper actually protected you, Kill Uncle. So RBG was wide open that time.
Wow.
RBG would have been killed that time. Pero you got convinced by the other two. Na peer pressure ka na.
We must always kill.
The peer pressure.
And the Skid though, tag Shaper sa first night. Kaya sa first day pa lang, when RBG was revealing na, are you sure you check Shaper? Shaper's good, gumaganon si
Yeah. That's why
tinag na si Shaper the first 2 days.
I felt so stupid. And then like the next night, okay, I'm gonna choose someone else.
Yeah, that was fun. Anywho, sige.
The least suspected ones like Nintendo and me
were
gone before Bujin.
Actually.
Yeah, what's up with that?
Yeah, but you live long enough to become the villain. Pero yun nga, naging villain si Sino ba Master tsaka sa Shintendo?
Even me and Shintendo were willing to vote Bujin, but you guys could have offered.
So Bujin, you tainted me by association.
The most painful thing is that I was about to be saved, but when RBG raised her hand, that was like...
Yeah, I thought mag-abstain kayo eh.
Oh no, why did you do that to me?
Your death wasn't in vain, so yeah.
Sige. Let's wrap this game up. Now people have to go. It's a Monday, almost Monday na lang. Bujin, even though you lost, it was a close game. Great game. Please close the game.
All right, thank you very much for watching another video from BS Games Philippines. Kitang-kita nyo naman, hindi ako marunong magsinungaling. Hindi ako marunong manding lang. Tulad ng idol kong, si Mr. Kill Uncle. If you like the video, please click on like and consider subscribing to our channel. Again, it's BS Games Philippines. Hanggang sa ulitin! Maraming salamat! Bye-bye!